You are already obsolete. You just don't know it yet. Your competitors are using AI. Your team is using AI behind your back. Your industry is being rewritten by people who figured out of what you're about to learn this weekend. You think AI is a tool? Something you'll get to next quarter. Something for the interns. You're wrong. AI is not a tool. AI is a workforce, and you're the only CEO not using it. By the end of this video, you will understand why your current approach to AI is delusional. You will learn the specific 48-hour challenge that turns any CEO from a AI skeptic to AI first. You will see the exact prompts, tools, and workflows that replace entire departments, and you will walk away with a Monday morning plan that makes your company unrecognizable by Friday. Welcome to the CEO Brain Library. High-signal briefs for leaders with no time to waste. Here's the truth you've been avoiding. You are not too important to learn AI. You are too important not to. Let's get into it. There is a gap right now. A dangerous gap. AI capabilities improving exponentially. Every week, new models. Every month, new capabilities. Every quarter, entire job categories become automated. Your awareness of AI is not improving exponentially. You read one article. You tried ChatGPT once. You decided it was not ready. That was 6 months ago. 6 months in AI is a decade in normal technology. That is you. Flip phone CEO in an AI world. The gap between what AI can do and what you think AI can do is not a knowledge gap. It is a delusion gap. The CEOs who win will not be the smartest. They will not be the richest. They will be the ones who spend one weekend actually using AI. Then they come back on Monday and remake their companies. This is your CEO brief on the 48-hour AI challenge, because your company is already AI first. You just don't know it yet. Before we get to the weekend challenge, let me clear something up. You have excuses. I've heard them all. They are wrong. AI is not accurate enough. Neither are you humans. But your humans cost $100,000 a year. AI costs $20 a month. AI will never understand our business. It will understand it better than you do. After you feed it your documents, you haven't tried. AI is a security risk. You hand your data to Salesforce, Google, and Microsoft every day. Your objections are selective. I don't have time to learn AI. You have 48 hours this weekend. You have time. You're choosing to be delusional. The only thing standing between you and AI first is a weekend of discomfort. You have survived harder things. You built a company from nothing. You can learn to talk to a computer. The 48-hour AI challenge is not complicated. It is not technical. It is not expensive. It is simple, brutal, and effective. Here's the challenge. Follow it exactly. No shortcuts. Friday night. Set up hours 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. You have 1 hour. Open 3 accounts. First, ChatGPT Plus. $20. Not the free version. The paid version gives you access to the best models. Do not cheap out on the most important hour of your career. Second, Claude by Anthropic. $20. Different strengths. ChatGPT is your creative partner. Claude is your analytical partner. You need both. Third, Perplexity AI. $20. This is your research assistant. It searches the web with sources. It does in seconds what your team does in days. Total cost, $60. That is less than one dinner, less than 1 hour of your lawyer, less than the coffee budget for your weekly executive meeting. You will spend more on wine this weekend than on the tools that save your company. Setup is not hard. It is not technical. It is type in your email address and credit card number. Friday night done. You have spent $16 in 1 hour. You are already ahead of 90% of CEOs. Now go to sleep. Tomorrow is the real work. Saturday is about replacement, not augmentation. Replacement? You are going to take 3 workflows you currently own and replace them with AI. 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Workflow 1. Strategic planning. Open ChatGPT. Paste this prompt. You are a strategic planning consultant with 20 years of experience. I'm the CEO of your industry. Here are our current strategic priorities. Paste your 3 priorities. Act as my thought partner. Challenge my assumptions. Ask me 5 questions that expose my blind spots. Then help me build a better plan. You spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on consultants who do exactly this. ChatGPT does it in 4 hours. It will ask harder questions than your consultants, because it has no ego. 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Workflow 2. Board deck. Open Claude. Paste your last board deck. Then paste. Analyze this deck. Identify 3 structural weaknesses. Rewrite the executive summary to be more compelling. Then suggest 5 slides we should cut and 3 slides we should add. Be brutal. Your board deck has been bad for years. You knew it. You didn't fix it. AI will fix it in 2 hours. 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Workflow 3. Competitive intelligence. Open perplexity. Ask. Search the web. Find every competitor in your industry that has announced AI initiatives in the last 6 months. Summarize what they are doing. Identify 3 things they are doing that we are not. Provide sources. Your head of strategy has been working on this for 3 months. Perplexity does it in 2 hours. With sources. Saturday done. You have replaced 3 workflows. You have saved yourself weeks of work. You have seen what AI can do. Now go to sleep. Tomorrow is the hard part. Sunday is about building, not experimenting. Building. You are going to create your AI-first operating system, the system that your company will use on Monday, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Build your prompt library. Open a document. Create 5 folders. Folder 1. Strategic prompts. The questions you ask when you need to think. Market analysis. Competitive positioning. Risk assessment. Folder 2. Operational prompts. The workflows that run your business. Meeting summaries. Email drafts. Report generation. Folder 3. Creative prompts. The prompts that generate ideas. Product names. Marketing angles. Problem solutions. Folder 4. Analysis prompts. The prompts that process data. Financial analysis. Customer feedback synthesis. Performance reviews. Folder 5. Personal prompts. The prompts that make you better. Speech writing. Thought leadership. Board communication. A prompt library is not optional. It is the operating system of the AI first CEO. 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Train your AI. Open ChatGPT. Upload 3 documents. Your strategic plan. Your org chart. Your last quarterly results. Then prompt. Learn these documents. You're now my AI chief of staff. Based on this information, what are the 3 most important things I should focus on next week? What am I missing? What am I avoiding? Your chief of staff cannot read 300 pages in 2 hours. AI can. Your chief of staff has biases. AI is fewer. You're not replacing your chief of staff. You are giving them superpowers. 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Create your Monday playbook. Write a document. 1 page. Title. Monday, 9 a.m. AI first launch. Answer 3 questions. First, what 3 workflows are we moving to AI immediately? Pick them. Name them. Assign ownership. Second, what training does each department need? Your team's behind. You need to catch them up. Third, what is the new AI policy? When can people use AI? What data is allowed? What is forbidden? Sunday done. You have built your AI first operating system. You have your prompts, your trained AI, your Monday playbook. You are ready. Let me tell you what happens on Monday. I've seen it a dozen times. 9 a.m. The stand-up revolution. You walk into the weekly leadership meeting. You pull up ChatGPT. You say, I have an AI chief of staff now, who reviewed our strategic plan over the weekend. Here are 3 things we missed. Your team looks at you differently. Not scared. Impressed. 10 a.m. The workflow launch. Your head of marketing sends you a draft. It was written by Claude. It's better than anything your team has produced. Your head of marketing looks relieved. They have been struggling. Now they have a partner. 11 a.m. The competitive reveal. You share the perplexity analysis. Your head of strategy is humbled. They have been working on this for months. I did it in hours. They are not threatened. They are excited. Now they can do better work faster. Your team has been waiting for you to lead on AI. They have been using it secretly. They have been hiding it from you because they thought you would say no. When you walk in on Monday and say I used AI all weekend, here's our plan. something shifts. You're no longer the CEO who talks about AI. You are the CEO who uses AI. The delusion ends. The transformation begins. 3 things. No excuses. Do them this weekend. First, Friday night. $60. 3 accounts. 1 hour. Setup. No thinking. Just doing. Second, Saturday. Replace 3 workflows. Strategic planning. Board deck. Competitive intelligence. See what AI can do. Third, Sunday. Build your AI first operating system. Prompt library. Trained AI. Monday playbook. That's an AI transformation. 0 technical skill required. 0 permission needed. The only thing stopping you is your delusion that you're too important to learn. You are already obsolete. You just don't know it yet. Not anymore. The 48-hour AI challenge is not a suggestion. It is a survival mechanism. Your competitors are doing this right now. Your industry is being rewritten. Your team is using AI behind your back. The only person not using AI is you. You have 48 hours this weekend. You will either spend them watching Netflix or building your AI first company. One of those choices leads to obsolescence. The other leads to transformation. The 5 delusions you must abandon. 1. AI is not ready. It is readier than you are. 2. I don't have time. You have 48 hours this weekend. 3. AI doesn't understand my business. It will after you train it. 4. My team won't accept it. They're already using it without you. 5. I'll get to it next quarter. Next quarter is too late. Now, out of all 5 delusions, which one is keeping you stuck? Let us know in the comments. And as a reward for those of you who made it through, because most CEOs click away when confronted with their own obsolescence, here's your well-deserved bonus. Everything you learned today is useless if you don't act this weekend. Not next month. Not next quarter. This weekend. The difference between the CEOs who thrive in the AI era and the ones who become cautionary tales is not intelligence. It is not capital. It is not industry. It is 1 weekend. 48 hours. That is the smallest investment you will ever make and the largest return you will ever see. This is the CEO Brain Library. High signal briefs for leaders with no time to waste. If this landed, and it probably made you uncomfortable, subscribe. Until next time, stop being delusional. Start being AI first.